I have destroyed the clutch of my BMW M6. I've destroyed it. I have pulverized it, literally, which you will see a little later in the video. And in the first moment when I saw those pictures, I was about to hurt myself. But then I thought, why? Why? Times have changed, man. Because 5 years ago, when I would have had something like a clutch job, I would have been devastated. Because obviously it would have cost so much money that I couldn't afford it. But now I'm just thinking, well, the first moment was, God damn it, Aziz! But then I thought, it's part of the journey, right? I mean, BMW M6 V10, it's worth it. Just enjoy it, man. Driving 300, tuning the car, braking the clutch, replacing the clutch. You know, and I mean, I really take care of it because I do like, and no joke, I will do like 3 or 4 services, really. I will change the oil regularly. I'll change the SMG oil regularly. I don't care. I'll do the maintenance as much as possible. Change some oil. Try, now I have Ravenol. Then I will try Motul maybe, and so on, just to keep the car running. Because I have noticed with a lot of friends, when you have a car like this, an S65 from the M3 E92 or the S85, you gotta drive those cars. Because when you drive them, it's going to be a beautiful experience. And yes, the clutch is gone, but I mean, we will replace it. And it will be a fantastic thing. So let's see what the car looks like now. God, goodbye exhaust. Goodbye, wow, but look at that. Very good. And then, goodbye gearbox. Let's go underneath. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. There's no gearbox to this car anymore. So, yeah. I'll show you what I've done. Alright, so here we have the gearbox, the SMG, which is basically an automated manual gearbox. It's really not that complicated, very compact. Here you can see there's a bunch of stuff that is a little bit damaged. Of course, wear and tear, 122,000 kilometers, first clutch job. So the clutch really hold off a long time. And here it is, what it looks like. As you can see, a big chunk of the part broke. And the reason for it is basically me revving it from zero and really pushing it hard. This is the second clutch. It has a twin clutch setup, one helper clutch, and all of them are from Sachs. So the interesting thing is, if you order the parts at BMW, you'll pay like 3K, but I just ordered it from Sachs directly, which probably won't say BMW on it, but it's the same part number, everything the same, and I paid like 550 bucks for it. So we'll just do everything. Here is the shape of the gearbox. Very beautiful. It's a very compact and nice gearbox. I'm very satisfied with that. And yeah, here is what the clutch looks like a little bit closer. As you can see, yeah, I mean, it's completely destroyed, right? This has to be changed. The gearbox is in a perfect state, so we don't have to do anything on that. We did all the checks, all the tests, everything is fine. And here are the metals, the wear and tear you can see after 120,000 kilometers. You know, the nice thing is for people that actually want to buy the car, they can see everything if I sell it at one point. I mean, you see who worked on it, you see what we did. It's very good. And here, the both clutches one more time, yeah, they're gone. Hopefully we can resolve this issue as soon as possible because I'm starting to get bored. I would like to drive my car, right? I'm driving this Skoda now daily, every day, and I used to drive this most of the time. So, yeah, I kind of feel sad, but this is all worth it. I'm telling you, this here is worth it. It really is. And let me show you the exhaust pipe. So here it is. As you can see, pretty standard. Nothing too much. Yeah, it's not really the loudest exhaust, but look at the pipes, right? As big as my fist. Yeah, I just love this car. I really do. The beautiful form, look at it. Wow. Can't wait for it to be fixed. Fantastic shape, fantastic interior. Yeah, just love it. Love it. Sorry for my dirty hands. Can't wait to drive it. Oh, my little beauty here. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my God. parachute. This is of course the gearbox. Then Amstec motors, the maniacs that built it, and of course the bar gauge, right? This is absolutely insane. All right, so you have seen what this car is doing. My ears are still hurting, but maybe a quick explanation. This car is going to race. Amstec is going to race it, and it has a 3-liter RS4 engine with a bunch of adjustments, man. I mean, they took it apart completely. They bored it up. Now it has 3 liters. Of course, it's ethanol and the small little turbocharger. So much stuff going into a car like this. 1,500 horsepower, man. This is absolutely insane. The front is, by the way, from a 997, so they kind of adjusted it a little, to say the least. And then, of course, interior. Of course, you need a parachute. I mean, let me show you the inside. Maybe I think this stayed from the from the Lupo, which this car originated from. But the rest is gone, right? Of course, roll cage here. And in the back, nothing. So the differential is from a Nissan GTR, actually. And, I mean, I have never seen something like that. This is absolutely insane. The craziest thing is, I will probably drive this. But I'm trying to not drive it, because if I do, I'll be gone for life. I mean, what are you going to drive after this? A Chiron? Maybe. What else could you do? Anyway, I think I should wrap this vlog up. M6 is undergoing maintenance still. We're waiting for the clutch kit to come, and then I'll just do some dragly so you can see how much power it has after we do the tune-up. And I'll put a vlog in where we tune the car, and then that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. See you on the next one.